Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm talking about how to load a PEZ dispenser correctly. This week say a viral TikTok by user Son1C in which a PEZ dispenser is loaded in one simple step. The entire steel wrapped sleeve of PEZ is slotted into the hole in the bottom of the dispenser and pushed straight up. The PEZ dispenser is then sewn stacked with candies and the empty wrapper falls out of the bottom. The video ignited a wave of comments from PEZ lovers who felt like they wasted precious childhood hours meticulously placing the candies into the dispenser one by one. But between those comments are other claiming the video was edited and the hack doesn't work at all. Some YouTube users like Quill and the South Carolinians even posted videos to disapprove it. Unfortunately, these people are clearly correct. For the viral method to work, the bottom of the plastic column that holds the paste would have to be some sort of a spring-operated flap that you could push through. It isn't. The paste company itself also confirmed that the too good to be true hack is in fact too good to be true. Before you trash your paste dispenser in dismay, you should know that there is an easier way to load the candy than the one by one technique. According to the TikTok posted by Paste, the proper way is to open the wrapper but leave the candies inside. Then you carefully tip the entire stack into your dispenser. It's that's still too labor intensive to be worth it. You can always skip the dispenser altogether and just snack right from the wrapper like people had to do when the paste first hit the market in the late 1920s. At that point, the candy was not only dispenserless but also meant for adults trying to quit smoking. So guys, I hope you like this video, so don't forget to like, share and comment and do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. So thank you.